NV Gold, the news recently. NV Gold trades as NVX in the Toronto Venture Exchange and NVGLF, the OTC in the States, as they option the high-grade Exodus Gold project discovery in British Columbia. With me now, Peter Ball, CEO, to break it down. Hey, Peter, appreciate the time and update. It's been a while since we connected, PDAC, in fact. What's gone on between then? How things going for NV Gold?
Yeah, thanks, Rob. It's been a busy last few months since I saw you at PDAC. NVX is having a good start to the year. We completed an oversubscribed financing, cashing up the company, which is good. We've been able to get our currency or our share price moving up. We reached about 41 cents the other day, which is, I think it's about 300% increase since PDAC, which is actually good because it has placed all of our warrants in the money. So we have about $1.8 million of the 20-cent warrants currently in the money. We have about $1.2 million in the bank. And we're excited. We're just about to get our summer program moving forward.
Yeah, so let's get into that. Obviously, the company is healthy and good shape. You got a good gold market. A few weeks ago, I knew you as NV Gold with the majority of your projects in Nevada, if not all of them. And here we are with announcing something here in BC. So I know you're excited about this, and something must have caught your eye to stray out of the NV Gold box per se. So why don't you break down the details of the news on the Exodus Gold project?
Yeah, no, it's interesting. Again, most of our shareholders know us as we're focused in Nevada. We've got Dr. Quinton Henney, Dr. Odie Christensen, John Watson, and Alf Stewart. Alf Stewart, all very capable and highly recognized technical board members of NV Gold. But our team always gets presented with new opportunities to ensure that we can, add a compelling story. If it makes sense to what we're doing and what we're looking for to reward our shareholders. And at PDAC, I ran into what I noticed quickly was a very smart geologist running around looking for somebody with a much bigger name than me, as he was referred to a couple people. Ran into him, met him, had a project in British Columbia, and saw that it was next to a highway, next to a community, a bunch of high-grade results. He's been working on it for 3 years privately in a private company. Got together with him and his team, and 4 months later to the day, I met him in early March, and just last week we were able to secure an option on the project, and we're quite excited to have this drill-ready gold project in British Columbia, just north of Prince George. And a few key things about the project. First of all, it's along a brand new logging road in an area that's never been looked at, never been explored in this part of British Columbia. The local First Nation corporation put through a logging road 10, 15 kilometers and happened to highlight a brand new gold discovery sitting right next to the logging road. The private company actually staked just over 11,000 hectares or 112 square kilometers of land. Seems we're onto something really interesting. And it seems like an orogenic type of gold system with really good correlation to the strong indicators of arsenic and antimony. Good grades, good location. We believe we've got some good terms to take a really good look at this project. And it should be a busy summer. This project, along with their projects in Nevada.
Well, let's get into that. Investors like a busy company here. Talk about the work that's going to be done over the summer.
Yeah, so first of all, let's just touch on Nevada. We are currently just finalizing our plans on getting onto our Slumber project. Slumber, we had some good, interesting holes at the end of the season last October, November. We've been prepping to go do a CSAMT survey, which is really going to help us vector into where we should put some holes before we spend too much money on that project. So that'll be geophysics sometime in late July, early August, and then drilling following that on that project. Another quick update, we do have another project called the Sandy Gold Project we acquired for staking costs only out of our database. Little do we know, at the very next day, a company called Eclipse Gold Mining staked the entire valley, raised a few $1 million, and just had out some good drill results right next to our Sandy project, where our Sandy project had interesting results from the 90s. So we'll do some follow-up work there, likely get into potential geophysics and drilling also. And then British Columbia. British Columbia, we are now going to be prepping for what we hope to be a good drill program commencing in the fall. But prior to that, we want to do some property-wide geophysics, some structural modeling, and more property-wide reconnaissance. Specifically of note that the geologists have walked up the new logging road another kilometer and found similar mineralization. And it looks good. It looks big. Looks like a district we have up there. We have great terms. So all in all, extremely busy summer, and we'll see how we do.
Okay, certainly appreciate that update. That's Peter Ball, CEO, Nevada Gold, NVX, the Toronto Venture Exchange, NVGLF, the OTC in the States. Peter, appreciate that update. Look forward to checking back in when you have some more news to report.
Thanks, Rob. Have a great day.